Good morning, everyone. This is our video guide to Wednesday, April 22nd classwork. We in our 2:45 Google Meet yesterday afternoon, we went live on that hailstorm. I hope some of you guys were able to look out your window and see that hail just pounding the ground. At one point, after about 30 seconds, you could actually see it start to accumulate like snow on the ground, on the sidewalks, the walkways, the lawns and grass and whatever. So, but anyway, I want to make this short and sweet because we're heading into a test tomorrow and I don't want to take up a lot of your time. So, as is always the case, I have the distance learning doc open that I send to you right after roll call each morning. And I'm going to use it as a guide. Jumping right into the classwork. It says you're going to go to Kahoot.com for our weather and climate unit review. Try that one more time. Review. Not easier for me to say. Kahoot. Anyway, there is a link there. All you have to do is select the link, which I did a few minutes ago before I went live. And there's also a pin. So if some of you guys are more comfortable entering a Kahoot using a pin, the pin is there as well. I'm actually going to go to the Kahoot now, okay? And I'm going to run through the questions just to give you a little preview. But before I do, I want to go through the rest of the classwork for today. And there's not much to it. So let me just spend a little bit of time going through the rest of it. So after you do the Kahoot, you are going to hopefully attend one of the two Google Meets. There's one at 9:30 and there's another one at 12:30. Now, I did the Kahoot yesterday and I know the information, and I might be able to chew through it a little bit quicker than many of you. And it did only take me less than 10 minutes. But I do say in today's classwork that I really don't want you to spend more than 30 minutes. So if you want to go through it a second time, that's cool. But the first time you go through it, just go through it. If you don't know the answer, then make your best choice. Make a smart guess. Go through it and see how you do. And then if you want to go through it a second time to compare your second run through with your first, I think that's a better way to approach it. It should really help to get you ready for Thursday's unit test. It's got a lot of the key vocabulary, the weather and the climate concepts and content that we have been learning about. So I'm going to go to that Kahoot. And don't forget, please attend one of the Google Meets at either 9:30 or 12:30. Very important. I will be helping you get ready for the test. I'm not going to tell you exactly how now, but you don't want to miss one of those two Google Meets, okay? All right, so let's see. Join the game, okay. I might have to put my glasses on for this. Oh, enter a nickname. I guess you have to enter a nickname. All right, what am I doing wrong here? Let's try to refresh. Leave the page. I don't know if I want to leave the page. Loading. Get ready, set, go. Nickname. Let's try that. Okay, go. Oh, here we go. Weather and climate unit review. All right, let's see how long this takes. I'm at 4:50 in today's video guide. So first question, what is climate change? Okay, let's see. Do I want that one? Do I want this one? I want that one. 1 for 1. Next. Second question. Oh, I gotta hit next twice. Quiz question. Weather is blank. Think. Weather is a phenomenon that occurs in space? I don't think so. No, that's not weather, that's climate. There it is. All right, not too bad. 2 for 2. Next. True or false? Question 3. Meteorologists are scientists that study the exosphere. I think we all know the answer to that one. It is. I hope you got it right. I'm not going to tell you now. Question number 4 is another quiz question. The 4 conditions, there aren't 4, there are more, but 4 conditions of weather are... Oh, yes, there are 4 things, and they're all conditions of weather. There's about 7 or 8 altogether. Question number 5, I'm 4 for 4. Let's see how we do here. This is another, most of these are quiz questions. The value in a set of temperatures that occurs the most often is called the range, the mean, the median, or the mode. Answer choice, please. 5 for 5. Moving right along. Let's see how I do on the next 5. I am found by adding up all the values in a set and then dividing by the total number of values. What am I? You have to type your answer in. Don't worry, you have lots of time. I still have 20 seconds left. Should I cut it to the bitter end? No, I'm going to type it in here. Let's give it a shot. Oh, okay, that one's a little tricky. I got bagged on that one. But it's the way that I wrote the answer down. So, all right, I think most of you guys will get that. 7, true or false? Climate describes the average weather in a place over a very short period of time, like an hour or a day. Is that climate? All right, back on a good track again. Next, moving on. Question 8, quiz question. My climate is super hot year-round and very wet with more than 150 centimeters of rain. What climate am I? Dry? Dry, 150 centimeters of rain. Polar? Wait a minute. Hot year-round. I'm running out of time. Oh man, that was close. Next. Thank you. Give me my points, please. Question number 9. I am the distance north or south of the equator measured in degrees. What am I? Am I latitude? Longitude? Attitude? Got a good attitude. Or altitude. Oh, time running out. What? Here we go. Yeah, we're back on track now. Connecticut can be described as having a severe type of climate with warm summers and cold winters. True or false? I did okay on those. 10 questions down, 15 to go. What are the most important types of weather data for determining an area's climate? Air pressure and cloud cover? Humidity and density? Fruit Loops and Lucky Charms? Temperature and precipitation? Yes, I thought it was Fruit Loops and Lucky Charms. Almost halfway through, question number 12. Weather and climate both use temperature and precipitation data. I think you should know this. I love that sound. Next question. We are at the halfway point. According to scientists like you, What percentage of Earth's surface is covered with water? Remember that? That was when we were still at Rogers. I'm running out of time. I only have 10 seconds. 31%, 51%, 71%, or 91%. 5 seconds. Ah. By the skin of my teeth. On to question 14, a quiz question. The Earth's atmosphere is mostly made up of air pollution? I hope not. Hydrogen and helium gases, woo! Nitrogen and oxygen gases, I don't know. Water vapor and clouds, well, they're up there. Man, I'm getting lucky. Quiz question. Which of these is not the result of global warming? Activity 16, global warming. Sea ice melting, sea levels rising, water pollution, or warmer temperatures? Question 16, true or false? Ocean currents transfer thermal energy from one place to another, which can affect climates. Can ocean currents transferring energy from one place to another affect Earth's climates? Did we learn about that? I think we did, and I've only got 6 seconds left. Question 17, quiz question. What are the 5 layers of Earth's atmosphere? And you don't have to even put them in order, but you will on the test, I think. Oh, I think this is it. Oh, wow, I ran out of time. Okay, it's just practice, it's okay. This isn't the real test. We won't be timed on the test. Okay. Refocus, regroup. Question 18, true or false? The causes of different climates on Earth are all global causes, not local. Remember that, the causes of climate, the climate factor, rap, video, causes of global, I think. Back on track. Okay. What causes climate change? What causes climate change? Greenhouse gases? Cows? Factory emissions released into Earth's atmosphere? Or all of the above? Greenhouse gases, cows, or factory emissions released into the atmosphere? Or all of them? I had 1 second left, just by the hair of my chinny chin chin. Hair getting long. Anyway, too much information. Next question. 20 of 25. Which is not a global cause of climate? I just want to move. Which of the following is not a global cause of climate? Yes! Got it. 5 left. True or false? True or false? Many scientists today are concerned that human activities could be affecting climates worldwide. Something we do could be affecting climates? There's only, I don't know, an insane number of us on the Earth. Well, I better answer this because I'm down to 4 seconds. Oh my God. I crumpled under the pressure. "22. The most common direction that the wind blows and..." Let me start over. The most common direction that the wind blows in a certain place on Earth is called wind speed, common wind, prevailing wind, or wind direction. 23. Which of these types of weather doesn't have a weather map symbol? A warm front, does that have a weather map symbol? Precipitation. Low pressure or humidity? Which doesn't have a weather map symbol? Got it. 24, 2 left. A high pressure air mass will create this kind of weather. A high pressure, that's cold air. Cold air, it's really dense. That's a high pressure air mass. Create this kind of weather. A tornado, cloudy skies, clear skies, tropical storm. One left, guys. Last question. True or false? Both cold fronts and warm fronts can possibly bring precipitation. Both a cold front and a warm front. Well, the front is the front edge of the air mass, and it's going to collide with another air mass, and that's going to get crazy. We just... Okay, how did I do here? I completed the challenge. That's good news. And I did it in about 10 minutes. Okay. That's kind of what I wanted to see, is how long it would take for me to do the coup. So I hope you can play this more than once. That's the first part of your classwork for Wednesday. Then, like I said, and I think I reminded you once, but I'm going to say it one more time. Classwork step number 3 is to join one of the Google Meets today, either this morning at 9:30 or this afternoon at 12:30, where we will have a very serious review that I am almost as certain as I can be will help you on Thursday's unit test. So if you're watching this, okay, I will see you at 9:30 or 12:30. Okay, so long for now.